The F-18 Super Hornet is a multi-role fighter aircraft that is the backbone of the United States Navy. Known for its combat prowess and failure, the success of the Super Hornet's missions is inseparable from the membership and dedication of the crew that supports it. This video will discuss the techniques and procedures used by the F-18 Super Hornet crew, both in the air and on the ground. Before each mission, the ground crew performs a series of pre-flight checks to ensure that the F-18 Super Hornet is in optimal condition. The technical crew inspects the fuselage, wings, and tail for damage or wear. The avionics, hydraulics, and engine systems are checked to ensure they are functioning properly. The aircraft is refueled as required by the mission. Weapons and ammunition are installed and checked to ensure combat readiness. Communications and navigation systems are tested to ensure connectivity and accuracy. The flight smoothness system is checked to ensure proper response. F-18 Super Hornet pilots are drilled to master the various flight techniques required in combat operations. Pilots are trained in a variety of aerial maneuvers to counter enemy threats, such as dogfights, counterattacks, and missile evasion. Maneuvers such as the Immelman turn, barrel roll, and split are used to gain positional advantage. Low-flying techniques are used to avoid radar detection and enemy attack. Pilots must be highly skilled at controlling the aircraft with precision at low altitudes. Aerial refueling allows the F-18 to extend the duration of missions. Pilots maneuver to approach tanker aircraft and maintain a stable position during refueling. One of the greatest challenges for F-18 pilots aboard the Super Hornet is the emergence of the carrier. The pilot follows a predetermined approach pattern and communicates with the flight controller on the carrier. The aircraft's speed and altitude are precisely adjusted to ensure a safe distance. The F-18 is equipped with an arresting hook that catches one of 4 cables on the carrier's deck. The pilot must target these cables accurately to bring the aircraft to a stop within a short distance. After landing, the aircraft is moved to the parking area by the deck crew to make room for other aircraft to land. Maintenance crews play a critical role in ensuring the readiness of the F-18 Super Hornet. Routine checks are conducted at specific intervals to ensure the aircraft remains in top condition. Parts such as the engine, hydraulic systems, and avionics are inspected and tested. Damaged or worn components are replaced with new ones. Technical crews have specialized skills to perform complex repairs. Software and system upgrades are performed to enhance the aircraft's performance and combat capability. Structural modifications are made to add or improve aircraft features. The success of the U.S. Navy's F-18 Super Hornet missions depends not only on the advanced technology of the aircraft itself, but also on the expertise and dedication of the crews who support it. From pre-flight checks to emergence on the carrier, every step is carried out with the utmost precision and professionalism. Ground crews and pilots work together in harmony to ensure that the F-18 Super Hornet is always ready to face challenges and maintain the security and sovereignty of the nation. Its ability to take off and land on aircraft carriers makes it a vital asset in naval operations. Taking off from an aircraft carrier involves a series of steps designed to ensure the safety and success of the operation. Here are the steps of an F-18 Super Hornet takeoff. The pilot receives a briefing on the mission and weather conditions. A pre-flight check is performed by the technical crew to ensure all aircraft systems are functioning properly. The aircraft is moved to the catapult on the flight deck using a deck tractor. The nose gear of the aircraft is connected to the catapult using a device called a holdback bar. The deck crew and pilot perform final checks, including flight control systems, communications, and power systems. The flaps and other control surfaces are adjusted according to the takeoff configuration. The catapult is deployed at full power, providing the rapid acceleration necessary for takeoff from the short deck. The pilot controls the aircraft to ensure proper trajectory and to reach a safe altitude after takeoff. Landing on an aircraft carrier is one of the most challenging maneuvers in military aviation, requiring a high degree of skill and precision from the pilot. The pilot initiates the approach by following a predetermined traffic pattern around the carrier. The pilot communicates with the landing signal officer who provides visual guidance and radio communications. The pilot directs the aircraft to the correct landing course with a precisely controlled speed and angle. The flaps and landing gear are lowered, and the aircraft is positioned to catch one of the arrestor cables on the deck. The aircraft approaches the deck at a slow but controlled speed, ensuring that the tail wheels touch the deck first. The landing hook on the aircraft catches the arrestor cable, bringing the aircraft to a rapid stop in a very short distance. The takeoff and landing of an F-18 Super Hornet on an aircraft carrier is a remarkable demonstration of technology and skill in the world of military aviation. The success of this operation relies on the careful coordination and high professionalism of the entire crew. With these capabilities, the F-18 Super Hornet continues to be a vital asset to the United States Navy, ready to meet the many challenges of maintaining the nation's security and sovereignty.